These are 3 easy passive income ideas that have the potential to make over $10,000 online. And the best part is, you won't have to spend a dollar to get started. Passive income, the life. Well, the truth of passive income is that it's actually quite not passive at the beginning. I am 33, just turned 33, and I started making money online when I was 21. And things I did 10 years ago are still paying me. In a way, it is passive. But back 10 years ago, I was working my ass off. I was putting in late night hours and I had a 9-to-5. It did not feel passive at all. And I experienced the benefit of it years later. So for you wanting to try to create your first 10K of passive income, just know it is going to take hard work. But I believe with these 3 different ideas and business models, you'll be off to a much faster start than it was for me. The first direction I'd like to point you in, if you want to make passive income, one of the best places to start is in software as a service, because once a business finds a software that they're going to be using and that actually helps, the chances of them leaving are very limited unless it's something really destructive happens and the business goes under. So examples of software that business will probably use forever are like things like software that helps with their accounting, software that helps with their website, software that helps with their customer relationship management and sales. These are all different softwares that businesses use, whether they're big or small. And so if you want to make passive income, just understand that there's always a big need from businesses to basically buy these software. And if you can be the person that introduces the software to them, there's a big play for you to make passive income. One specific example I'll share of mine is a software called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is basically a one-size-fits-all website landing page tool that is perfect for any business that is trying to generate leads online. And so once a business, whether it's a startup or a big company, starts using it and it starts working, the chance of them leaving the software is slim to none. So one thing I used to do is I used to promote ClickFunnels, the software, and I used to make 35% commission, and it was a lifetime. The beauty of that is the product at the minimum price point is $97 a month. So that's basically around 33 bucks I was getting just to sell one. But the true magic is when the next month their charge occurs, and again, I'm still making that 33 bucks per charge. And I sold so much of ClickFunnels, I actually passed over 6 figures. Here's a little snapshot of my dashboard of where it's at today. And I have not promoted it for literally over 18 months. 18 months and I'm still making a pretty good chunk of change. The second way to make passive income and literally upwards of $10,000 or more is making a book, but not what you're thinking, not like a book like this, an ebook based off a really specific niche, answering specific problems and adding value. One example I'll share with you right now is the sport of pickleball. It's a lovely game. It's the fastest growing sport in America. And so the amount of people that are learning this game is skyrocketing. It's trending on Google Trends. And what's amazing is people that are trying to learn something, whether it's a sport or a different type of hobby or a specific skill set, they'll often go to Amazon or another place and try to buy a book to learn. And so you could create, for example, a pickleball how to play guide. And unfortunately, this idea has already been taken, and that's okay, because this is such a small niche. You're not going to have amazing, incredible authors like Jordan Peterson, who has so much authority creating these niche ebooks. You don't need to be the expert or the leading pro. You just need to be early. And by creating this ebook, naturally, when someone goes on Amazon and says, any ebooks on how to play pickleball, and yours is one of the top 10, cha-ching, you're going to start to make money. I'll share a screenshot right now of one of the top pickleball rated books for a sport, and it's crazy how much money that is making. So the trick with this one is basically figuring out the niches. There's a saying that says the riches are in the niches and the fortune is in the follow-up. So all you need to do is go and use research. There's Amazon tools and Google Trends of different ideas that you can create an ebook on and help people solve problems. If you have any questions on this one, if you need ideas, comment below and we can brainstorm together. The third way to make passive income is one of my favorites. It was actually the very first business I started online. It's creating a video course. What's so absolutely incredible about the internet is when you post something online, as long as it's evergreen, meaning it could add value no matter what time people take a look at it, you could make money. And the first problem I guess I solved, or the first product I created, was teaching people how to dance the robot. A very tiny niche, but I actually got my inspiration from someone I used to watch their videos on, a famous dancer called Mr. Wiggles. I learned in an interview many, many years later that at Mr. Wiggles' prime, and he created many, many dance videos, he was making $30,000 a month from dance videos. Isn't that insane? This side hustle is going to take a little bit more startup work, because if you want to do this right, you're going to have to build a website. You're going to have to build a landing page. You're going to have to upload your videos. You could do YouTube, but there's other more, I guess, professional places to do so. And then once your website's there, you're going to have to learn a little bit about how to optimize it so it shows up. If you create your videos right now, but you don't learn on how to optimize it, no one's going to find it. But luckily, there's things that are a little nerdy, like search engine optimization, which allows you to rank your website on Google. So when someone typed in "learn how to dance the robot," my videos used to pop up #1. The thing about this business is I didn't rank #1 right away, but I had to keep creating content about why my videos were the best online to teach people how to dance the robot. The truth is they weren't. There was much more successful robot dancers out there than I was, but I worked the hardest and it ranked. And here I am now at the age of 33. If you bought my dance tutorial today, you would see a young 22-year-old teaching you how to dance, and it still makes money. I still make $500 a month, and in my prime I was making $5K a month from my robot dance tutorial. So it's an amazing business model. You can apply this to any other type of industry or niche, whether it's business or maybe you are a psychic medium and you want to put that out on the internet. It does not matter. It's just about putting it out on the internet, learning a little bit about how to build a website and optimizing it, and it has the potential to really make more than 10K a month and change your life. Well, that's enough work for me today. I'm gonna truly just enjoy the rest.